Unlocking peak performance. The study habits of top students. Many students struggle to balance their academic workload with their personal lives. Top students seem to effortlessly excel in their studies while still having time for extracurricular activities and social engagements. What are the secrets behind their success? The answer lies in the effective study habits they cultivate. By understanding and adopting these methods, you can significantly improve your own academic performance and unlock your full potential. These techniques are backed by scientific research and expert opinion. So, if you're ready to elevate your study game and join the ranks of top students, let's dive into the secrets of their success. Active learning. Engaging your mind for maximum retention. One common mistake many students make is passively reading textbooks or notes without truly engaging with the material. This passive approach leads to poor information retention and a shallow understanding of the subject matter. Top students, on the other hand, understand the importance of active learning. Active learning involves methods such as summarizing information in your own words, teaching concepts to others, or creating flashcards for active recall. By actively processing information, you create stronger neural connections in your brain, leading to better long-term retention. By incorporating active learning strategies into your study routine, you can move beyond rote memorization and develop a deeper understanding of the subject matter. Time management. Mastering your schedule for optimal productivity. Effective time management is another crucial aspect of successful studying. Top students understand that time is a valuable resource and manage it wisely. They prioritize their tasks, break down large assignments into smaller, more manageable chunks, and create realistic study schedules. One popular time management technique is the Pomodoro technique, involving focused work periods followed by short breaks. This structured approach helps maintain focus, prevents burnout, and optimizes productivity. By breaking down study sessions into manageable intervals, students can avoid feeling overwhelmed and maintain a higher level of concentration. Effective time management allows you to allocate sufficient time to each subject, ensuring that you are well prepared for exams and assignments. The study sanctuary. Creating an environment for success. The environment in which you study can significantly impact your focus and productivity. Top students create a dedicated study space that is free from distractions and conducive to learning. This might involve finding a quiet corner in the library, setting up a dedicated study desk, or even seeking out a cozy coffee shop. The key is to create a space where you can focus solely on your studies without being interrupted. A study-friendly environment should be well lit, comfortable, and organized. It's essential to minimize distractions such as noise, electronic devices, and social media. By creating a designated study space, you train your brain to associate that location with focus and concentration, making your study sessions more productive. Breaks and self-care. Recharging your batteries for peak performance. Taking regular breaks is crucial for optimal learning and retention. Top students understand that pushing themselves too hard without any breaks can lead to burnout and reduced productivity. They prioritize their physical and mental well-being by incorporating short breaks into their study schedule. These breaks can involve getting up and moving around, stretching, or simply stepping away from the study material for a few minutes. These short breaks help prevent mental fatigue and allow the brain to consolidate information more effectively. In addition to regular breaks, top students also prioritize self-care activities outside of their study schedule. By taking care of their physical and mental health, top students ensure that they are well rested and energized to tackle their studies with focus and enthusiasm. Review and practice testing. Solidifying knowledge and boosting confidence. Top students don't just learn information once and consider it done. They understand the importance of regular review and practice testing to solidify their knowledge and prepare for exams. Regular review helps reinforce what has been learned, making it easier to recall information in the long term. Practice testing is a highly effective method for identifying areas where knowledge might be weak. By taking practice tests under timed conditions, Students can simulate the exam environment and get accustomed to the pressure of recalling information under stress. Research has consistently shown that practice testing is one of the most effective study strategies for improving long-term retention and exam performance. By incorporating regular review and practice testing into their study routine, top students ensure that they are well prepared for exams and confident in their ability to recall the material.